batteries are amazing, so let's build more battery storage, but also let's focus on bringing the value chain here and not just installing the batteries. So we really keep control of this key, coolest component. So I think battery is, the winning technology in many aspects, not just in the energy system. I come from the automotive world, more than 12 years in battery manufacturing for electric vehicles. And now we see it's also adapting in the infrastructure, but also in other applications like defense, critical infrastructure, AI, data centers. So all where energy is crucial, batteries can play a certain key role to overcome the challenges we have. So in my opinion, it's the coolest product we have.